Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
Time for the Mortgage Link right here on Link Up Radio, 93.5 FM WVIP, courtesy of First Republic Mortgage Bankers for all your purchasing and your refinancing needs. And give Tony Shafiq a call. As I said earlier on, he was live and direct in the studios at 718-325-5555. He blazed in early this afternoon just to give a helping hand to all you folks out there in the tri-state and beyond. Why to refinance, why to lock in at 5%. So the Wizard is in the building, 24, 25 years on his belt and still going strong. He's live and direct in the studios when it comes to all your purchasing and your refinancing needs. Tony, good afternoon, sir.
Hi, good afternoon.
He always call me Squeeze, I know. How are you today, man?
I'm fine. I'm fine today. I know, it's fabulous. It was nice driving up here. The weather is, the weather is clearing up. Very beautiful out there, Sean. And it was a beautiful weekend also because it was so overwhelming in my office there that it was unbelievable. It was inhuman actually what transpired in my office over the weekend. I had people lining up and someone referred to my assistant, is this a doctor's office? You have to call by numbers. That's what happened when they're talking to the mortgage doctor. But at First Republic Mortgage Bank, remember, we always deliver the goods and services. We do not come on the public media out there to spread propaganda to camouflage any individual. And as I said, that right now the market is more than conducive for refinancing and also purchasing because of the declining house prices. So people out there, if you're thinking seriously of achieving the American dream, act immediately, because these rates that we are offering you, and we have multiple loan programs available at the First Republic Mortgage Bank, programs with as little as 2.25% down and no credit, poor credit, even past credit problems are understood. So if you're thinking of buying a home and you're thinking to yourself you may not have the best of credit, well then, credit is something like piety. You can't determine that. Only the gods determine that. However, the expert at First Republic Mortgage Bank, we can determine whether you can get a mortgage based upon your credit profile, because each program out there may require different credit criteria. And the professionals, including myself at First Republic Mortgage Bank, we are schooled to do so in regards to getting you approved and seeing whether your kind of a credit profile is credit worthy to get a mortgage. Whether you have no credit or poor credit, make the call. The consultation is absolutely free. But Sean, driving in here this evening, it's always a pleasure to be in this office, this studio here to talk, just to relate to my lovely viewers out there, my lovely listeners out there on Radio Land, to educate them, because knowledge is potential power. And when you get that knowledge, it gives you confidence to go there and shop. And when you're shopping with confidence, it means that you're not anxious or you're not shopping with anxiety. And all this you can get because the consultation is absolutely free. The phone call, just reach out and dial the magical number, 718-380-0006. Our toll-free number is 1-800-QUICK-LOAN. The studio number where I'm live now speaking to you is 718-325-5555. Now, let me address the situation right now as we are talking. Because of the reduced interest rate, First Republic Mortgage Bank, we are carrying some superb rate right now, and it is a 5% fixed rate, 5.78 APR, with cost per thousand $5.37 per thousand. And with this program at that 5%, you can still take out 95% loan to value. That means you can go out and take out cash up to 95% of the value of your home, and we can still maintain that low interest rate. So you know what you can do with all that value that you have, or high LTV. You may have student loan, car loan, second mortgage, vacation home, timeshare, many credit card debts, it's about time you wake up right now and take advantage of incorporating everything into one loan. I am addressing it because it can save you from $500 to probably $3,000 on your monthly financial expenses. And imagine if you can have liquid cash at the ending of the month by $3,000, what that can do to improve your quality of life. Because it's based upon your individual scenario. Your scenario is how much, what is your current interest rate. Whether your interest rate is 5% or 5.5%, it may still benefit you because you have accumulated a lot of credit card debts. So if you're putting together $30,000 of credit card debts and a car loan, which is $500 a month, you can still be able to save about $700 a month minimum savings by doing the refinancing with a cash out to consolidate. So folks out there, do not hesitate. Call now. Take action, because good thing does not last forever. And you know what? If you procrastinate, nothing good is ever done in this world by hesitation. So they always say procrastination is a thief of time. And there are three things which you cannot really take back. That is a sped arrow, a spoken word, or a neglected opportunity. The opportunity is here now. Don't neglect on it. Now is the time to get involved and get that 5% interest rate that we're talking about, which will save you money, relieve you of your credit card debts. Take that weight, that burden that you are carrying right now, that you cannot even step forward. You're stepping backwards because it's a nightmare, and it is damaging to your health because you're having sleepless nights. We want you to improve your quality of life. So folks, make the call. I'm in the studio. Remember, 25 years of experience in this business, and I've always represented community with loyalty and excellence. So you get service with excellence, you get experience, and you have excellence all combined together. I'm the loan officer, Tony Shafiq, First Republic Mortgage Bank, the mortgage doctor himself.
That's right. So link up Tony Shafiq live and direct in the building right now, Tri-State. 718-325-5555. Past credit problems are understood. Speak directly with Tony Shafiq and eliminate the middleman, as they say, over at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Always get the facts and not the hype. 718-325-5555. And also you can trade your 30-year for a 15-year over at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. So if you need more information, you need the facts, give Tony Shafiq a call right now. The wizard himself for purchasing and refinancing at 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. Tony, gonna let you go and grab those phone lines as usual and help out those hundreds of folks awaiting your assistance. All right, 718-325-5555. Make the phone call right now and link up with Tony Shafiq live and direct in the studios right now. You can reduce your payments by lowering your monthly mortgage payments you're paying right now. 718-325-5555. Get the facts, not the hype. And then after you do so, you make your decision by linking up with Tony Shafiq. 718-325-5555.
Wake Up is the only one that is number one for blazing hot music. Wake Up. Yeah.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.